Today we're cooking honey barbecue wings. For this recipe, we will need 500 grams of chicken wings. First, we cut through the joint to separate the wing and the drum. Now we start with the seasoning. For that, we add 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Thoroughly rub the seasoning into the chicken wings. Make sure to cover each piece. Now we're going to prepare the batter. Add 1 cup or 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Now we mix the batter. It's time to coat the chicken wings. Again, make sure to cover the whole surface. Before we fry the chicken wings, we're heating up the oil to medium heat of around 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Now we will fry the chicken for around 10 minutes or until golden brown. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. This is how the wings should look like, super crispy with a beautiful color. For our sauce, we're adding 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce to a preheated pan. Then we're adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix it and let it simmer until the sauce is hot. Now we add the sauce to the wings. Make sure to combine the sauce with the wings and leave no empty spots. Finally, we can plate our dish. On the side we have a sour cream sauce which goes great along some wings. Enjoy!